backhoe off your Mahindra tractor. They're all pretty much the same. You've just got the two pins up here that you have to remove, and it's just sitting on hooks down there. It's basically how all the Mahindra backhoes are. So first of all, what we're going to do is start the tractor, get the stabilizers and the bucket on the ground. So we'll do that now. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to push down with the bucket to get the pressure off of these pins. So I've got pressure down on the boom, and these pins became loose, as you can see. So we just got to remove the linch pins. Take these out. And then from there, all you have to do is raise the boom up. And then your backhoe comes off. From there, you're just going to want to move your tractor forward a little bit so that you've got room to work. And you're going to disconnect these hoses. You can turn the tractor off now. Just going to disconnect these, and you're going to have a little bit of fluid leak, but it's just whatever was in the couplers. And then one thing that you're going to want to make sure that you do is hook these two hoses back up, or else your 3-point's not going to work. It makes a full circuit for the hydraulics, and they're only going to go one way. One of the nose is a little smaller than the other and doesn't quite fit in there, so you don't really have to worry about hooking it up wrong. And that's it.